Good morning, everyone. My name is Jyotsna Rangeen, and I'm a person living with type 1 diabetes. I have successfully completed 10 years. So today we are going to talk about something that is very close to my heart and something that everyone wants to talk about, the carb counting. We had a really nice breakthrough session yesterday where someone asked a question that, how can we make carb counting easier for people living with type 1 diabetes? And today we are going to talk about three things. Every person who lives with this condition, these three things are very important for them. First is food, just having the freedom to eat whatever you want without having the anxiety or fear of what that food will do to you. And then the future, everyone wants to have the best quality of life and live the life that they want without having the complications, without having to deal with the highs and lows in life. So let's rethink how AI, artificial intelligence, can help carb counting. So first, let's understand a little bit why carb counting is actually important. So carbs are something that instantly raises your blood sugar because they converts into glucose, and they have a direct influence on your postprandial blood glucose levels. That is why carb counting is one of the most essential yet complex ways to kind of manage your diabetes and ensure that you have the best time in range. But also, let's understand why it matters a lot. I like to say that carbohydrates are like, a steering wheel of the vehicle. If you turn it right, then you stay on the road, but one wrong turn can put you in danger. And which is why a lot of us, even myself, for initial years when nobody introduced me to the concept of carb counting, I relied on guesstimation. Guesstimation is a term coined by guesswork and estimation. So majority of people even today are just doing guesswork. And which is why even one wrong guesswork can lead to 4+ hours of highs and lows blood sugar. Just look at this graph, after having breakfast, there was a spike. After having lunch, there was another spike, and then the same followed. And this highs and lows just leave the person with so much distress, exhaustion, anxiety, not knowing what to do with their blood sugars. And of course, once you get it right, it just balances everything out and really helps you to understand the food patterns in your body better. So I say that although carb counting as a concept might be developed in West, but in India, it is the hardest test. And why so? Because India has such diverse food. I know everything looks very tempting here in the morning. And one of the complex challenges we face in India is that we have diversity. Although diversity is beautiful, but that also brings a lot of challenges, the complexity, the inconsistency. The thali that you get in Mumbai is not similar to the thali that you get in Bihar or South India. That the dosa you get in Delhi is not the same that you get in Kerala. So we have like variety of food and we love that food, but it also brings the challenges because it's very difficult to guess every meal. It's almost nearly impossible to get the guesswork right, which most of us rely on. So now I want you to meet Arjun. He's an 8 years old boy from a small village in Bihar. He was diagnosed with type 1 diabetes when he was 3 years old. He loves to play cricket and he has an aspiration and dream to be part of the Indian team. He doesn't know English because he comes from a very humble background. The family also is from a low resource background, and he loves to eat. He loves to eat variety of food. And in all of our Indian households, do we eat the same thing every day? I don't think so. We have so much variety of food that we have on a daily basis, and it's very difficult for someone like Arjun living in a small village to understand the concept of carbohydrate counting and make it happen. So every day they have this question that how do we judge this plate and do all the maths and calculate the carbs for it? But guess what? Arjun is not alone. He represents every child, every person living with type 1 diabetes in small towns, villages, and cities who are facing this challenge every day. So now, let's talk about carb counting because it's not just about food, it's about years of healthy life lost. As I said, most of us rely on guesswork, which is why most of us are still not able to achieve that time in range or quality of life that we want every person living with type 1 diabetes to achieve. And I want to ask this question: how many of you take a picture of your food like you like to take? And most of us do that just to post it on social media. Can I have a raise of hands? How many of you like to take a picture? See, we have so many people here who love taking pictures, who love posting on social media, but imagine that one habit can actually help you to improve your diabetes management. And that's what we're going to talk about. So let's introduce you to artificial intelligence. So my question is that AI is not the future, it is already here. And can I know how many of you are using any one of these apps already? Wow, almost everyone in the room right here. So I feel that artificial intelligence is already part of our lives, even so that we are using it in our daily lives. Google Maps tell us the routes and takes us to the traffic. Netflix gives us the preferences and of our favorite shows. Uber and all of these apps are doing wonderful wonders to our life. So why are we still doing carb counting manually? Why are we still doing all those mathematical calculations of the guesswork and just relying on that in 2025 when we have AI available for us? So I think the time is now when we understand the possibilities of AI for carb counting. Imagine the photo that you take of the picture. It can tell you the portion size of the food on the plate. It can tell you the nutritional breakdown of how many carbs, how many proteins, how many fat and fiber is there in that plate of food, and also give you the accurate insulin calculation based on that. What AI can do is, the possibilities of that is endless. And this is one of the study which was conducted few years back when AI was not even that popular or famous. And it was done with some of the people living with type 1 diabetes, and they were asked to estimate carbs for multiple dishes. And the results were that when they did the guesswork, the error was almost like 27.9 grams per meal, which is equivalent to 4 chapatis. And when they used AI app, the error was 12.3 grams per meal, which is more than a half of that. And now I think it will be even lesser because AI has taken up a lot of shape and it has improved a lot with the data and the fine-tuning model that we're creating right now. So why it matters? Because smaller error means more accurate dosing. It is easier to keep your blood glucose in control, and there is less work, less guesswork. You get the freedom to eat what you want without having to worry about what's going to be your post that blood sugar levels. So let's talk about the apps that are available currently. There are multiple apps that are available outside of India that is already giving you the option to use AI for carb counting and make it easier for you. And everyone has the same goal, to make it simpler, faster, and more accessible. And we have one person sitting here, Mehek, who has also created a dashboard called IndianFoodMetrics.com, which has the option to manually add the food items, and it has all the Indian dishes from north to south. And then it will tell you the nutritional breakdown, how many carbs, fats, fiber it has, and then give you the accurate insulin doses as well. And there is some snack app, there is some feature now being added to the Dexcom as well. But most of these apps that are available in the West, they do not have Indian food options. As we spoke, that Indian food is so diverse. We have such culturally different food items, and all of these Western apps do not suffice to our requirement, which is why I thought that it is our job as people living with diabetes, because it is our own lived experience through which we have learned that carb counting is tough. I myself, from my own experience in my initial years, I really struggled to learn carb counting. I relied completely on guesswork. And before that, I relied completely on the fixed doses that the doctors gave me. That please take 10 units in the morning, please take 8 before lunch, and please take 10 in the evening. And no matter what food I was eating, I was just taking those fixed doses. And I was confused why my blood sugars are like up and down. And this is still a reality even after 10 years. So I feel let's talk about how AI can actually change that. So this is my small contribution, which I'm trying to build to make carb counting more accessible, easier, and also available for every Indian family, no matter which demographic or place they come from. Every child should have access to carb counting so that they can really improve their diabetes management. So what does this app do? It is a simple app where you take a picture of the meal you're eating, and it will do the complete food analysis for you. It will tell you how many carbohydrates, how many fats, how many protein and fiber is there in the content. And then also you can personalize it by putting in your insulin to carb ratios and insulin sensitivity factor, through which it will tell you the correct amount of insulin that you can provide based on all of those settings for you. So I feel this is just the beginning. The best thing about this app that I'm developing is that it is available in all regional languages, from Marathi, Malayalam, Gujarati, Hindi. As you know, every child living in village, cities, or every other place will be able to use it easily. So there will be less guessing, more knowing. There will be less fear and more freedom, and there will be less. There will be not just the focus on survival, but at least thriving with type 1 diabetes. I'll try and play this. Yeah, so as you can see, you put your total daily dose. It will calculate the ICF and ICR for you. Then you, from the photo library, choose the food that you're eating, or you take a picture. You put your current blood glucose level, and then you analyze the meal and just see how it will show you the results. And voila, it will tell you your nutritional breakdown, carb content, protein, fat, fiber, everything. And also it will give you the insulin dose suggestion with the disclaimer that please consult your healthcare professional as well. You can log your blood glucose, and it will give you the live graph for you as well. And it will also have all the data available. What did you eat at what time? How many carbs, fat, fiber, protein was in there? What amount of insulin you took, and what was the level after that? So that level of data you're getting with the help of AI on a single click. And the benefit is not just for the people living with diabetes, for doctors as well. Because I think when we talk about carb counting, there is one set of population who do not know anything about carb counting. कि पता ही नहीं है carb counting होता क्या है. And there is one population who know, they have the resources, they have the support, they have everything on a single click on social media, but they don't want to do it. Right. There are so many people who do not adhere to it. There is very less adoption. Doctors, everyone, they try to connect them with nutritionists. They do all their best, but still people are not doing it. Because I, as a person with type 1 diabetes, can understand, we take 180 decisions a day. And if we are asked to take one less, that's a big deal for us. So through AI, through technology, we can make it easier for them to follow, to adhere to it, and make sure that, this is helping them to achieve the best diabetes management and really live a full, thriving life. So this is the prototype, and this is in Hindi. I have added few screenshots. We have Malayalam, we have Marathi, Gujarati, all Indian languages that are available. And this is the future that we want, to give children the freedom to live their lives, the freedom to eat what they want without having any restrictions, and have the best quality of life. So thank you everyone for being here, for listening, and for giving me a chance to talk about something that is very close to me, and that I'm trying to build using the artificial intelligence technology and AI in today's world. I think it is my small contribution to every person living with type 1 diabetes, and I really want everyone to support me and Mehak in this journey, because it's a tough road. There is so much complexities while building these things, because AI has just taken up pace, and we want doctors, we want stakeholders, we want people living with diabetes to come together, research give data, because the more data we have, the more fine tuning we can do to the AI model. The whole thing that works is based on the data, is based on that fine tuning, and that can really make a huge impact. So I would say, just to have a closing line, that future of carb counting is not about perfection. I'm not saying that we cannot have perfection achieved through AI as well, but it's about progress, and we need to come together to make sure that we are making those small changes through which we can really change the diabetes care in this world. And that's all I want to end here with. If you have any inputs, any feedback from me on how we can improve this app and do better, if there's anyone who has any better idea than these things, please come forward, because I think that there's no end to the possibilities of what AI can do in diabetes care. And I would love to hear your thoughts and feedback. Thank you so much for this opportunity.